You come in the silence. You sit by the bed at night. You take my uncle, my sister, leave me holding on so tight. You walk in the hospital hallway. You hide in the siren sound. Where do you come from, stranger? Turning love upside down. You plant little seeds of story
in the corner of his mind.
Who you dare talk to so long? Every message he gon' find. You turn every smile suspicious, every friend into a fight. Where do you come from? Jealousy, stealing color from real life. Where do you come from? Why you reach for we heart like that? You're infringing and depriving our rights and freedom. You take our loved ones, never bring them back. Where do you come from? Like a thief in the soft moonlight. Still I'm holding on to love, holding on to love. And I choose your hand tonight. Me to blame you for leaving. I lit curse your name in song. Thought you'd find a sweeter honor. Thought you loved me all along. But it was sickness, not betrayal. It carry you far from here. I'll fight shadows on the pillow when the truth was in my tears.
And I accuse you of hiding every time you reach home late, checking shirts for perfume, reading messages you never made.
I'll let a rumor be my teacher instead of the trust we built. I was dancing with the darkness till your patience calmed me still. Where do you come from? Why you reach for we heart like that? You're infringing and depriving our rights and freedom. If you must carry them onward, wrapped and gentle in light above. Where do you come from? Why you reach for we heart like that? You're infringing and depriving our rights and freedom. You take our love, never breathe them right. Where do you come from?
Still you care who we like.
'Cause we're holding on to love, holding on to love.
Turning bitter lanes to light.
You may break we body, but you can't change we song.
You may visit in a teardrop,
But love will lead